Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. In this video, I'll be going over the Alchemy Pay crypto project and the ACH token. Alchemy Pay is a global payment solutions project, and the ACH token is trying to break out of a 2-year-long accumulation range right now above 5 cents. So is this going to be a mega breakout, or is this going to be a false breakout? I'm going to go and let you know my thoughts right now in this video, so let's get into it. So at the current moment in time, Alchemy Pay is trading for 4.6 cents with a market cap of $231.6 million and a fully diluted valuation of $468.5 million. Now, the interesting thing to note for Alchemy Pay, I want to show you the chart right now. Like I said in the intro to the video, this thing is trying to break out of a 2-year-long accumulation at the current moment in time. This thing, ACH, bottomed out in December of 2022 at around 0.007 cents. This was just after the FTX collapse that happened in November of 2022. This was the bear market bottom for this cycle. As you can see, 2 years later, or 777 days approximately, that's a bit of an odd number, don't you think? But anyways, 770 days later, around 2 years' time, it is now at this resistance at 5 cents. And this has been the resistance that it has faced since that bear market low in 2022. It has been rejected off of 5 cents twice now, once in 2023 as well as once in 2024, right around February and March, which is, the time essentially we're at right now. So are we going to have a mega breakout here on Alchemy Pay ACH? Well, I do think it is actually quite possible that it sees its mega breakout, and let's explain why in this video. Now, I'll show you the Coinbase chart real quick as well. This thing's been around from 2020. This is not a new project by any means. But if you look at the Coinbase chart, it started trading in August 21st in 2020 on Coinbase. The volume recently is mega. And if we go look at this, by the way, the 24-hour volume is $388.8 million. This is higher than the circulating market cap. And I mean, it makes up over 3/4 of the fully diluted market cap. So that's quite impressive, and you don't see this high a volume too often on projects. And if you look at where the volume is coming from, well, it is actually mostly coming from 2 exchanges. You can see Binance has 120 million in 24-hour volume approximately, and Coinbase has around $66.1 million in 24-hour volume. So these are the 2 largest sources of where the buying or where the general volume is coming from right now, Binance and Coinbase, the 2 biggest and most regulated and used exchanges in the entire world. So yeah, this is legit what's happening right now in terms of the price chart. And anyways, let's get into the fundamentals of Alchemy Pay ACH and why I think it's actually going to break out above 5 cents here and go on to a run to new all-time highs. So what is Alchemy Pay? Their mission is to provide mainstream-friendly payment solutions that promote the global adoption of cryptocurrency by connecting fiat and crypto economies. Again, this is a payment solutions project. It's very similar to something like Ripple XRP. The thing with Alchemy Pay that's similar to XRP is the fact that they are regulated in so many different jurisdictions. They have licenses to operate in all the major economies, the US, Canada, Australia. I can show you right here, right? Just a few days ago on January 27th, they received the digital currency exchange provider with Austrac in Australia, enabling them to bring secure and seamless fiat to crypto payment services to Australian users. And also, today, you can see that they now have a registered money services business with FinTrack in Canada, enhancing their compliance for a safer crypto fiat experience. Okay, this also has partnerships with Visa. We'll get into that in a moment. But anyways, this is a mega project, okay? The scale of it is actually really massive. So this has been around, the token's been around from 2020, but you can see it's founded in Singapore in 2017 as a payments gateway that seamlessly connects crypto with traditional fiat currencies for businesses, developers, as well as users. It supports payments in 173 countries. They have an on and off ramp. It's a one-stop solution to buy and sell crypto and fiat. It can be integrated into many different platforms out there, and it can also be white labeled by different businesses or companies, and they can use the Alchemy Pay services seamlessly with their own business, which is pretty insane. So anyways, you can see ACH's Alchemy Pay's network token available on Ethereum and the BNB chain. Now, one quick thing to note, we'll talk about the partners real quick and then move on, but here are the payment channels. Literally every major payment channel that's been created in the entire world, Alchemy Pay supports it. Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Prompt Pay QR in Thailand, Line Pay, all these Chinese banks. It's everywhere, okay? So it's really insane. The partners, Shopify, all these Lawson, Shopee, whatever. They're partnered with basically everyone. Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. And then the on-off ramps, every exchange or crypto kind of business that focuses on on-off ramps, they basically have a partnership with them, all right? And it's also on all major exchanges. So yeah, this scope of the project is quite insane. And they say how they're supported on the Ethereum and the BNB chain right now. This pump we're seeing with the price chart could be around the fact that the Alchemy chain is going to soon be released. And the Alchemy chain is a high-performance layer 1 built for payments specifically. This thing is going to be going live really soon, sometime in 2025. This is a major advancement for the Alchemy Pay project, as they are no longer going to be reliant on the Ethereum blockchain or the BNB chain. They're going to use their own layer 1 to facilitate all of their transactions and all of their payment solution services. Major advancement that could be the catalyst to propel this thing to potentially new all-time highs. In regards to the current all-time high, it is actually 19.8 cents, and that happened over 3 years ago in August of 2021. All right, so almost 20 cents for the all-time high of ACH. Now, just a few more things before we get into talking about the price chart and the price potential. Again, the main thing here is the payment solutions and how it's integrated into all major global economies. Fiat on-off ramp, it essentially allows you to, right on their site here, you can use fiat and you can buy crypto, you can sell crypto and buy fiat. It just makes it seamless and extremely easy to transact with cryptocurrency. All right, so that's the thesis, that's the use case of Alchemy Pay. This is not a new project. Again, I've compared it to XRP for good reason in this video. And look, if this thing's gonna have an XRP style of pump, don't forget what XRP did in 2017 and 2018. Right, this thing went from 0.006 cents in January 2017 to a high of $3.30. It actually made a new $3.40. Sorry, $3.40 in January of 2018, a year later. And in terms of market cap, that is around 233 million to a market cap of 113 billion. Okay, I don't quite see it going to say 113 billion market cap from 288 million. But I could see it reaching its own billion-dollar valuations in terms of Alchemy Pay ACH, and it could potentially have an XRP style of pump, being how related the projects are in regards to their use cases, their regulatory licenses, and everything going on with it. So anyways, now that we know a little bit more about what Alchemy Pay is, let's talk about the price. Also, one more thing to note, CZ, the founder of the Binance Exchange, he actually follows ACH on X or Twitter here, and CZ does not follow a lot of projects at all. So that's something interesting. That definitely caught my attention. And also, they just partnered with the Move blockchain. As you know, World Liberty Financial, Donald Trump's company, just kind of they purchased the Move token in their World Liberty Financial wallet, and they established some kind of partnership with the Move blockchain as well. So Alchemy Pay now partnering with them today, which is quite interesting. So yeah, a lot of really bullish stuff happening with Alchemy Pay right now. I really don't have anything bad to say about the project. Anyways, looking at the chart here again, bottomed out December 2022. Here we are, January of 2025, and we are at that major accumulation range resistance at 5 cents. This has been retested twice in the previous 2 years. Both times it got rejected and went back down to around 1 penny. Okay, here we are. We have a breakout potentially forming on mega buy volume, like legitimate mega buying volume is coming in right now for Alchemy Pay ACH just before the launch of their layer 1 high performance blockchain. So anyways, what you should be looking out for here on ACH, this is the weekly time frame. In my opinion, this thing is going to blast off to new highs. Okay, we are essentially approaching the seasonality where we will get the altcoin season, right? Q1 of the year after the halving, everything is setting up perfectly for it, with sentiment around altcoins at lower than bear market levels. People giving up left and right. People are tired, they're burnt out, they're frustrated. We're essentially coming into the perfect conditions to get a face-ripping rally in the market. And again, I don't think we're in a bear market. Okay, the bear market is coming, more likely than not this year or starting next year. However, as of right now, I do think we will see a crazy acceleration phase leading to the top of the market. So anyways, that means, altcoins are going to go parabolic and explode. Now, the first target I see for Alchemy Pay ACH, of course, you can say the all-time high at 20 cents. I would be looking for the 0.27 Fibonacci extension, which is at 30 cents, as well as the 61.8 at 38.5 cents. Okay, this is the first major target that I'm seeing here on the chart with this breakout. Obviously, this is multiples higher than the current price, which is actually just beneath 5 cents. Okay, we're looking at around a 7 to an 8x, give or take, to these prices up here around 30 cents. Okay, but I do see this as a major target. And then above that, I'm seeing 50 to 60 cents. And then potentially, if things get really, really wild in this cycle and it pulls an XRP style of move, you can see $1 and beyond. Now, you might be thinking, Connor, $1? That's absolutely insane. It's 5 cents right now. Well, you have to understand, it's actually a pretty low market cap right now. If it was to reach $1, it would be a 4.9 billion market cap. That wouldn't even put it anywhere close to the current top 10. Okay, the current top 10 is at 30.6 billion. All right, a $5 billion market cap would put it at, rank number 35 or 36, right around where the Trump token is currently actually. So anyways, 5 billion is not some far-fetched number. It's actually quite possible, especially for a project of this scale. It's not often where you see something that's been around since 2017 have these licenses to operate with banks and payment solutions like Visa, MasterCard, and every other big payment solution in the world. It's valued at a 231 mil market cap, okay? So yeah, I think it is quite undervalued right now, and it is crypto, so these tokens have been in circulation for a while. But nonetheless, if there's going to be demand with the Alchemy Pay chain, it can certainly reach 5 billion and beyond. But of course, do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just what I think. So at the current moment in time, yeah, I do think that this is a real breakout shaping on the chart. Here on the daily time frame, this thing essentially went vertical from 2 cents. And in 1 day or 2 days, it teleported right up here to 4.6 cents, pulled back with FOMC this past week, and now it is right back to these resistance levels. All right, so if you do see any moves back down, I would use this red daily candle as your zone from 3.7 cents to around 3 cents. I would treat that as the current buying zone, given the fact that I think this is a real legitimate breakout and it's going to lead to, a 2-year-long accumulation breakout here. That's major. The saying goes, the longer the base, the bigger the rally. It's 2-year-long accumulation base. This breakout's real. This is going to melt some faces here. So anyways, guys, that's my take on Alchemy Pay right now. My thoughts around it. I'm bullish on it. It looks good. Chart looks great. The scope of the project is pretty insane. The volume currently is insane. So I would be looking for this thing to push to its first targets around 25 to 30 cents. And then from there, potentially I could see it going even higher if it is going to pull that XRP style of move. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Are you bullish on Alchemy Pay ACH? Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you're holding it. Let me know if you think it's going to go to $1 to $5. I know the Alchemy Pay ACH community is quite bullish on the fact that it can reach prices of $3 to $5. You think that's possible? Drop a comment down below and let me know. So in this video, we talked about Alchemy Pay and the ACH token. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing the like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.